The story of Victoza liraglutide injection. Chapter 4. Victoza liraglutide injection compared with SGLT2 inhibitors. In type 2 diabetes, 8 core defects have been identified. GLP-1 receptor agonists like Victoza address 6 of these core defects to help control blood glucose levels and manage type 2 diabetes. SGLT2 inhibitors primarily work in the kidneys. It's important to understand how different therapies work in order to choose the most appropriate treatment for patients with type 2 diabetes. Victoza signals multiple organs, including the pancreas and liver, to help control blood glucose. It also signals specific areas in the brain to reduce appetite, which may help patients lose weight. And because Victoza only works in response to high glucose levels, it does this with a low risk of hypoglycemia. SGLT2 inhibitors, on the other hand, primarily manage the symptoms of hyperglycemia. They do so by targeting the kidneys, where they excrete glucose in the urine. This may also lead to weight loss. However, unlike Victoza, SGLT2 inhibitors have no effect in the brain or on hunger. Although SGLT2 inhibitors increase the amount of glucose excreted through the urine, they also increase glucagon production. With increased glucagon production, the liver releases more glucose into the body. And because the effectiveness of SGLT2 inhibitors depends on kidney function, efficacy can decline in patients with renal impairment. As you can see, the mechanism of Victoza is different from SGLT2 inhibitors. When considering treatment for your patients with type 2 diabetes, consider Victoza, the most prescribed GLP-1 receptor agonist with over 6 years of experience.